Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Online School. Today we are going to discuss question paper, NSO question paper 2022-23 of grade 7 science for all the NSO aspiring students. So I'm going to share my screen and let's go ahead with the discussion of the question paper. So the first question goes like this. Find the missing number to complete the given number pattern 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, right? So first we have to find out what is the pattern that which is given over here, okay? And you have to find out the number in the question mark. So if you add plus 2 in 0, you get 2. Then add plus 4, okay? In 2, we get 6. Then you add plus 6 in 6, we get 12. Then plus 8 in 12, we get 20. And then plus 10 in 20, we get 30. So now if you notice that with adding plus 2 in each of the cases, okay, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So in adding plus 2 in each of the above written words, digits, you will get the next number, right? So definitely if you are adding plus 2 with 10, so you will get plus 12. So your answer would be 30 plus 12 will be 42. So 42 is our right answer. Option number B is our correct answer. Next, Rohan walked 7 kilometers towards south. So if let's say this is Rohan, okay, so Rohan walks 7 kilometers towards south. So before that, we need to draw the directions. Okay, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So Rohan walks 7 kilometers towards south and then takes a right, turns to the right. So this is Rohan's right, and walks for 3 kilometers. Okay, 3 kilometers, right? And then he turns to the left. Now, when he goes here, the left side is over here, okay, on downwards. So he moves 10 kilometers, okay, towards his left, right, and finally reaches this point. So which direction is he facing now? So he's facing definitely the south direction, okay. So option number C is our correct answer. Next. In a certain code language, band is coded as 2573 and read is coded as 4153. How is the code language of bear? Okay, so if you try to write down in this way, band and read, READ. So band is 2573 and read is 4153. So what would be bear? You have to select the corresponding digits for the letters. Okay, so B is for 2, so you'll write 2 here. E is for 1, we'll write 1 here. A is 5, so we'll write 5 here. And R is 4, so we'll write 4 here. So 2154, 2154, option number B is our right answer. Okay, next question. Select the correct water image of the given figure. So water image of the given figure, how will it look like? So water image the image will be formed at the bottom of this object. Okay, so the image would be something like this. Okay, the dot will be facing towards the dot and the arrow will be facing towards the arrow. So option number D is our correct answer for this. Okay, shows the same kind of a mirror image, water image, sorry. Next, pointing towards Sneha, Puneet said, okay, Puneet is saying, pointing towards Sneha, that she's the only daughter of my brother's father's wife. Okay, so if this is the case, so Puneet is saying that she is the only daughter. Okay, so Sneha is she's the daughter, okay, of Puneet's brother's father. Okay, of my brother's, okay, father's wife, right? So she's the only daughter of his brother's, Puneet's brother, okay, brother, right? So let's say X person, okay. So Sneha is the daughter of this X person, uh, of my brother's father's wife, okay, father's wife. So wife is who? Brother's father's wife is mother, mother of X, okay, right? So how is Sneha related to Puneet? So Sneha is Puneet's sister. Okay, Sneha is indirectly Puneet's sister. So option number B is our right answer. Next. In the given Venn diagram, square, triangle, and circle represent the area in which mango, apple, and orange trees are grown respectively. Okay, so square is mango. Okay, triangle is apple, right? And circle is orange. Okay, respectively. So which of the following um, numbers represent the common area of all these three, right? So in option number, if you notice that the third one, you will notice that the third number is included in the circle also, that's orange. It's included in the square also, which is mango, and it's included in the triangle also, which is apple. So option number 3, that is B, is our correct answer for this question. Next, I use the following words in a meaningful sequence and select the correct option. House, street, town, room, room, again, and then district. Okay. Now, so what is the right answer for this? It is first is house, room, sorry, it's room. Okay. Then is the house, then comes the street, then comes the town, and finally comes the district. Okay. Right. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 5. Option number C is our correct answer for this question. Okay. This is our correct answer for this question. Next, if A stands for plus, B for minus, C stands for multiplication, and then find the value of 14. So 14 A 10, okay, B 14, C 2. So you just have to replace the digits with the operations, okay. So 14 A stands for plus, so we'll add 10. Then we need to replace B with minus, and then 14 replace C with minus. Okay, right? So C stands for multiplication. Sorry, so you have to replace C with multiplication, right? So according to the BODMAS method of solution, okay, first you have to solve the multiplication one. Okay, so 14 plus 10, okay, minus 28. 14 to the 28, right? Now you need to add it, we need to add it. So 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 minus 28 will give us minus 4 as the answer. So option number B is our correct answer, minus 4. Next, three different positions of dice are shown here. Which symbol will be at the top when hash is at the bottom? Okay, so you have to first find out which symbols is opposite to the which symbol in the dice. Okay, so if dot is here, okay, and dot and um, at the rate sign is here. Okay, so dot is opposite to at the rate sign. Okay, star is opposite to percentage sign. Star is opposite to percentage sign. Okay, as you can see, right? In both places we have this particular side has star and percentage, and then the hash will be related to what? It will be related to the copyright sign, isn't it? So option number A is our right answer. Copyright, this is the copyright symbol. Okay, so option number A is our right answer. Next, in a class, Rashmi is 12th from the top. If her position is shifted towards the bottom by 3 places, then she becomes 5th from the bottom. How many children are there in the class? So basically, let's start from here. How do we explain this? So Rashmi is 12th from the top. So first there are 11 children, okay, and then she is the 12th one. So this is 12th one, which is Rashmi. Okay, so this is Rashmi. Now her new position is shifted where she is shifted to the 3 places from the top. So 1, 2, 3, shifted towards by 3 places, then she becomes 5th. Okay, so when she shifts from the 3rd position, now this is a new position. Okay, new position of Rashmi, which is the 5th from the bottom, which means at the bottom there are 4 more children. 4 children, correct? Yes. So now how many children are there in the class, total class? So you just need to add all of them. So first there were 11 children, then Rashmi was the 12th one, so that's plus 1 including Rashmi. Then again she moved down towards the, after 3 places, so 3 children have been crossed over there, and now she's at 5th position, after which there are 4 more children. Okay, so we are at 4, so total is, we will this will give us 19 as our answer. So option number C is the correct answer, 19. Total number of children are 19 in the classroom. Next, there is a steamboat restaurant. Okay, so now we have in science questions after this. There's a steamboat restaurant which uses paper pots for the consumers to boil the food themselves, as shown schematically. Identify the correct reason for the paper not to catch fire when it is in contact with the flame. The paper is thin and therefore heat is conducted quickly to the water in the hot pot. Okay, paper pot. Sorry. So option number A looks, first statement is correct. Second is water was boiling, has a boiling point lower than the burning paper of the temperature of the paper. This is also correct. And the paper is thick enough to withstand the high temperature of the flame. No, definitely not. So basically, when the flame heat is provided into the paper containing the water, basically the paper has a very high temperature to burn down. So whatever temperature is passing on to the water, that into the paper, that is being taken up by the water, it's conducted to the water. Okay, and this temperature is not reaching towards the paper, right? So option number 1 and 2 are the statements, 1 and 2 are correct. So option number A is our right answer for this question. Next, a car slides down on the inclined surface WX and moves horizontally along X and Z as shown in the figure. X, Y, Z are surface while WX and Y, Z are frictionless. The car moves with a constant speed on its path between which of the following two points. Okay, so the car, when moves downwards, it goes through rough surface. So at first rough surface, the on the rough surface, the speed is going to slow down, right? And once, so between X and Y, the speed will slow down, and again from Y and Z, the speed will come back to its normal one. Okay, so in which positions will the speed remain constant and there will be no change? So option in the on the smoother surface, that is in between Y and Z. Option number B is our correct answer for this question. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect in the given circuit? Okay, so the battery, so you have a circuit here. If you notice carefully, the batteries are not placed properly. Both the positive terminals are located facing each other. So this is the incorrect arrangement. Therefore, this circuit will not work at all. Okay, so we have to find the incorrect statement regarding the circuit. The battery is not connected properly in the circuit. Yes, this is correct statement. Next, the compass is kept near the circuit and it will not show any deflection. This is also correct because the current will not pass, so deflection will also not happen. And next is the bulb in the given circuit will not glow. Yes, this is also correct option. Okay, then the last is due to battery in the circuit, connecting wires behave as magnet. Definitely not. Why? Because the batteries are only not connected properly, therefore the current will not pass and the magnetic field will not be created. Thereby there will be no reflection in the compass. So option number D is our incorrect statement for this answer. Next, an electrical appliance is earthen to prevent the power supply from the overloading. No, this is incorrect. Prevent the fuse from blowing. This is also incorrect. Preventing the leak of current and minimizing the risk of electric shock. This is a correct option. So that we do not have electric shock and the leakage in the current goes into the earth. That's why we do earthing. So option number C is our right answer. Next, the diagram shows 4 objects P, Q, R, and S in the front of a mirror, and the card represents the observer's eye from seeing the objects directly. So which object's image can be seen in the mirror? So this place is eye. Okay, here are 4 objects P, Q, R, and S, and a card is placed in between the object and the eye so that the images are not seen directly by the eyes. Okay, so which of the object can the eye see clearly in the mirror? So of course you can notice that it's the only object P which will be able to see, because the light coming from object P will fall on the mirror and it will divert and reach the eyes. Okay, it is the only one which can do this. So object P is the correct answer, which the eye will be able to see. Option number B is our answer for this question. Next, ray of light traveling parallel to the floor strikes on a plane mirror which is inclined at 30 degree as shown in the figure. What is the angle of deflection here? So basically, in order to find out the angle of reflection, first we have to find out that where is the angle of incidence and how we can calculate it. Okay. So if this is the incident ray, then definitely this is going to be the reflected ray. Okay. Okay. And this is going to be the normal, right? This is going to be the normal. Okay. So now how do we find the angle of reflection? So this will be your angle of incidence and this will be your angle of reflection. So we have to find out angle of reflection for this question, right? So if you notice this particular diagram, you will see that these two are parallel lines, okay, and this is a intersect. So if you notice this particular angle and is equal to this angle, which is 30 degree. Okay, so this is 30 degree. Now, if you see from here till here, this gives us 90 degree. Okay, this gives us, I'm sorry, not this. Just a moment. Yes. So this particular yeah. So this particular point, which is here, this one is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. So how do we find angle I? Angle I will be 90 degree minus 30 degree, which is 60 degree. Correct? 60 degree. So we know that angle, according to the law of reflection, angle I is equals to angle R. So if angle I is 60 degrees, so angle R is going to be 60 degree as well. Okay, so this particular angle is going to be 60 degrees. So option number B is our right answer for this question. Next, the displacement time graph of two bodies P and Q are shown in the figure. Which of the following statement is correct? So P is starting from point 0 as we can see, and Q is starting from point 20 meter above ahead of P, right? So which is the correct statement? P is moving faster than Q? Of course not. It is behind Q. It's moving almost at the same pace. Q is moving faster than P? No, definitely not. This is also not the case. For the reason, okay. Then we have option number C is Q is always 20 meter behind P. No, Q is up ahead of P. So this is also incorrect statement. And D is P is always 20 meter behind P. Yes, this is correct. If they're both moving in the constant speeds, as we can see in the graph itself, straight line graph indicates constant speed. Therefore, constant velocity. Therefore, in such a scenario, P will always be 20 meter behind Q. So option number D is our correct answer for this. Next, the two parallel rays of light 1 and 2 enter a convex lens with the optical center at O. Which one of the following ray diagrams, vertical row represents the lens, correctly represents the passage of the rays after passing through the lens? So, if it is a convex lens and convex lenses are converging lens, isn't it? So, which is the correct one, right? So here it is possible that the here in the first case, okay, in first case rays are possible, second is also possible, third is also possible, but D is okay. Correctly, okay, sorry, A is not possible because again we're talking about convex. So convex, all the ray of light should converge, isn't it? It should converge. So here A is diverging, B is obviously parallel, so it will never converge. C is also parallel, this will also never converge. D is not parallel, it has converged and then it has met at point D. So this shows the correct representation of the ray diagram of a convex lens, light convex lens. Next, the two bar magnets are placed parallel to each other with opposite poles facing each other as shown in the figure. Then the points where magnetic field due to which these bar magnet is zero is, so if this is the case, so we know that in a bar magnet, the flow of magnetic field is from the north pole to the south pole. So in this one, it will be from north pole to south pole over here. And in this one, it will be from north pole to south pole, that is here. Okay, in this manner. So if you look at this point in the Q point, there would be the magnetic field of both the bar magnets would be cancelling out each other, right? Would be cancelling out each other. Therefore, Option number P. Okay, so here in the Q point, they will be cancelling out each other, but the magnetic field can never cancel out at point P and R, right? So where can it cancel? Where can it become 0? It can become 0 at point Q only. So option number A is our answer for this question. Okay, A is the answer for this question. Next one. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The warm air is lighter than the cold air. Yes, this is correct. Air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. This is also correct. Increased wind speed is accompanied by increase in air pressure. No, increased wind speed causes a decreased air pressure. So option number C is the incorrect statement. Next one. Study the given table carefully. P and Q could be respectively. So P is a substance which gives green color with China's rose indicated, and Q gives magenta. So P is a base and Q is an acid, right? So first is calamine solution and lemon juice. Calamine solution and lemon juice. Yes, calamine solution is a base and lemon juice is an acid. So option number A is our right answer for this question. Next, which of the following changes cannot be reversed? Wet clothes to dry clothes, it can be reversed. Raw egg to boiled egg, this cannot be reversed at all. So option number B is our right answer. Next, read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1, acids are substances which provide hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. This is correct. And acids are bitter in taste. This is incorrect. So statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. Option number C is the right answer. Next, Rashi has classified a few changes around us as shown in the table. The changes classified correctly are browning of, so change and the type of changes given here. Browning of sliced brinjal is physical and irreversible change. No, it is a chemical change. So this is incorrect. Next is getting pure crystals of copper sulfate in the saturated solution of pure copper sulfate. This is physical and reversible. Okay, so this is correct change. Next is baking of cake is chemical and reversible. No, it is irreversible. So this is wrong. Respiration is chemical and irreversible. This is correct. Okay, making a sugar solution, this is physical and reversible. This is also correct. So 2, 4, and 5. So 2 and 4 and 5 is an option number B. So B is our right answer for this question. Next, substance U is hard, V is transparent, and W is sinks in water. So U, V, and W are. So it is gold coin, metal can, or cotton ball. No, this is not the correct one. Next is diamond. Yes, diamond is hard, clear gas is transparent, and stone sinks in water. So option number B is our right answer for this question. Next, which of the following statements are incorrect regarding chemical changes? No new substance is formed during a chemical change. This is incorrect. Heat or light or both may be given off or absorbed during a chemical change. Yes, this is correct. New substances having different properties from the original substance are formed. This is also correct. And chemical changes are generally reversible. This is incorrect. So 1 and 4 only, which is option number A, is our incorrect statement. Option number A is the right answer. Next, which of the following mixtures can be separated by sedimentation and decantation? Naphthalene and sand, no. Sugar and from a solution, no. Copper sulfate crystals into copper sulfate solution, no. Chalk powder and water, yes. Okay, well, because chalk powder is insoluble in water, so they can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Next, select the correct statement regarding the solutions given in the test tube 1 and 2. Solution 1 will turn methyl orange. So first solution contains soap, which is a base, and second solution contains curd, which is an acid, right? Now, let's look at the statements. Solution 1 will turn methyl orange indicator to red. No, it is a base, so it cannot turn into red. Option number 1 is wrong. Solution 2 will turn turmeric indicator red. So no, turmeric changes its color only with the base, not with an acid. So this is also wrong. Next, the solution 1 will turn methyl orange indicator yellow. Yes, this is correct. Okay. And solution 2 will change China rose indicator into magenta. This is also correct. So 3 and 4 are the correct statements. So option number B is our right answer. Next, X is a flexible tissue that joins bone to bone and help them to move. So X could be, so it is bone to bone attachment is the ligament. So B is our right answer. Okay, B is the right answer for this question. Next, method best suited for the disposal of the biomedical waste, that is syringes, blood samples, etc. It is Incineration, we should burn it out. Okay, so burning out is the best method, so that the diseases don't spread. So incineration is the right answer. Next, read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1, cotton fibers are separated from the seeds by ginning. This is correct. And the process of separating jute fibers from the jute is known as combing. No, this is called retting. So statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. So option number C is the right answer for this question. Next. Okay, so this is not spinning, this is ginning actually. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so this is also an incorrect statement. So option number C is not correct because it's a D, which is the correct one. Both statements are false. Next, select the incorrect match. Desert habitat, kangaroo rat, deer, and reindeer and zebra. Zebra is not found in desert habitat, so this is wrong. Mountain habitat, yak, snow leopard, mountain goat. This is correct. Okay, so option number A is our incorrect match, isn't it? A is our right answer for this question. Next, identify the type of the nutrient provided by the food item shown in the figure and select the correct option regarding this. So it provides energy to our body and hence helps us to give. So these are what? These are fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables gives us vitamins and minerals, is it? Yes. So is it the first statement correct? No, it is incorrect statement, right? Next one is it helps our body to grow new cells and replace old and damaged cells. Yes, this is correct. So option number A is B is correct. Okay. Uh, okay. So damaged cells are actually not formed by vitamins and minerals. It is formed by protein. So this is incorrect option. Third is it helps to keep our eyes, skin, and gums healthy. Yes, this is correct. So option number C is our right answer for this question. Next, the given sentences is select the correct option that correctly identifies the fiber. It is a strong natural fiber. Okay. Fabric made from this fiber is smooth and its unique luster, and it is used by killing an insect. So it is of course silk. Okay, silk is the only fiber that is obtained by killing an insect, which is the silkworm, isn't it? So option number A is our right answer. Next, so the following activities require air. So she's playing a flute, she's bubbling about bubbles, and then playing kite. So all of these requires air. So option number D is our right answer. Next, select the incorrect match. Okay, so first is ammonotelism, sponges, hydra, cartilaginous fish, leech, and crocodile. Right. So leech and sponge. Okay, they are only ammonotelic. Rest all are not. Okay, right. Um, Next is urotelism. In urotelism, urea is the one which does not. Okay, which produces urea. So frog, shark, for frog, toad, bonyfish, turtle, man, and island land Nile. So which one does not undergo ureotelism? It is the shark. Okay, right, and frog. Frog, okay, does not undergo ureotelism. So this is incorrect. Okay, and Euricotelism is lizard and snake, right? So option number A is our right answer. 1 and 2 only. Okay, 1 and 2 only are the incorrect match. That is option number A is the right answer. Okay. Next, identify the plant shown in the picture and select the correct statement regarding it. So leaves of the plant gets modified to form a pitcher-like structure. It is a saprophyte and the mode of nutrition is saprotrophic, null, and both A and C. Okay, so option number D is our right answer, both A and C. Okay, yes. So this is our right answer, both A and C. Leaves of this plant gets modified to form pitcher-like shape. Yes, this is correct. This is a pitcher plant. Okay, so you have to select the correct statement. So A is a correct statement and C is a correct statement. Okay, so option number D is the right answer. Next, the list of the few plants is given below. Beans, gram, cascuta, wheat, rice, lentil, and palm. Which of this is a leguminous plant? It is beans, gram, lentil. Okay, so there are 3 of them, right? So option number A is our right answer, 3. Next, select the correct match. Shearing, cleaning of wool with soap. No, this is not correct. Reeling, extracting the silk fiber from cocoon. Yes, this is correct. And mulberry leaves the silk or the silkworm. This is also correct. So B, option number D, both B and C are the correct matches. Next, red-eyed frog, toucan, penguin, camel. Which of the following are found in tropical rainforest? Okay, so we will find which animals in the tropical rainforest. We will find elephant, we will find macaw, we will find red-eyed frog, and we'll find toucan. So option number, which one do we have this? We have it in option number C. 2, 3, 5, and 6. Next, which will be the what will be the consequence of the absence of forest? So absence of forest will increase the amount of carbon dioxide in air. This is correct. Increase the incidence of floods and droughts. This is correct. Extinction of new species. This is also correct. So all of these is going to be a right answer. Next, select the incorrect statement. The number of times heart beats in a minute is called heart rate. This is true. The circulation of the blood from the heart to the lungs and from lungs to the heart is called systemic circulation. This is incorrect. Okay, this is it is not called systemic. It is called pulmonary circulation. Okay, so this is an incorrect option. So incorrect statement. So option number B is the right answer. Next, so the following is the correct path of the oxygen in the humans during inhalation. Okay, so during inhalation, the air goes from nostrils, then to nasal cavity, then to pharynx, then to trachea, bronchi, bronchial, and alveoli. So where do we have this? We have it in option number A. Okay, so A is our right answer. Next, select the incorrect match. Okay, so fruit or seed is acer and agent of dispersal is wind and adaptability of the dispersal is winged seeds. So this is correct match. Next is fruit or seed is dandelion, agent of dispersal is water. No, dandelion agent of dispersal is air. Isn't it? So this is incorrect match. So option number B is our right answer. Next, select the incorrect correct match. Is bleach is by tracheal respiration. No, they are slimy. They have a moist skin, so they have to it from there. So this is wrong. Next is grasshopper's brachial respiration. No, this is also wrong. Next is fish is cutaneous respiration. This is also wrong. They have gills. And D is horse is pulmonary respiration. That is through lungs. So this is the correct match. So option number D is the right answer. Next, read the given statements and select the option that identifies the correct ones. Forest fires are often caused due to lightning. This is correct. In a forest, the lightning. Okay, this is correct. Okay. Next is in a forest, the vegetation that grows under the shade of the canopy is called understory. This is also correct. In the absence of the forest cover, soil erosion is less. Okay, this is incorrect. Soil erosion will be more. Okay, so this is incorrect. Humans depend on forests for timber, raising lac, etc. This is correct. Okay, and next is canopy receives least amount of sunlight among all the layers of the Earth's forest. No, it is at the top, so therefore it receives a maximum amount of sunlight. So this is incorrect. Which are the correct ones? It is 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4 is in option number B. So B is our right answer. Next, refer to the Q and flow chart and select the option that correctly identifies X, Y, and Z. Okay, so the organism reproduces by asexual mode of reproduction is yes. Body of the parent organism breaks into 2 or more fragments, where each fragment develops into a new organism. So that happens in case of Hydra. Okay, Hydra, sorry, Spirogyra. I'm sorry, Spirogyra. So Spirogyra is in option number A. So A is our right answer. If you go to the next one, it is bulb-like projection occurs on the body of parent, which eventually gives rise to new organisms. So Y is Hydra, and Z could be Fern. So option number A is our right answer for this question. Next, for an object, distance versus time graph is along X and Y axis is shown below. The average speed of the object is what? So first, if you look at the graph carefully, you will notice that the motion is non-uniform motion, isn't it? It's not moving in a uniform manner. The speed or the velocity is changing, or the speed is changing with respect to time, right? So, how do we calculate the average speed? If we calculate divide the total distance by total time, we will get the average speed. So for finding the total time, How much is the total time? Okay, so total time, which is T, is how many minutes? 4 minutes. Okay, so from 0 to 4 minutes is the total time, which has to be converted into seconds. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 60 will give us 240 seconds. Now we have to calculate total distance. Okay, so total distance covered is how much? From point 0 to point 20 is the total distance that is covered. Total distance written as S, or let's say D for that matter, D, right? So how much is the total distance? It is 20 meters. Of course, 20 meters is the total distance which is covered from there. So average speed is how much? Average speed is total time, total distance, sorry, divided by total time taken, right? Total time taken. So total distance is how much? 20, and total time is 240. Okay, so if you calculate, you will get 1 by 12 meter per second. Okay, and as a result, if you divide it, you will get answer as 0.083 meter per second. So option number D is our right answer for this question. Next, a few changes that occur around us are classified in the following table. The changes classified correctly are, okay. So, which batter to idli is a physical change. Yes, it's a chemical change. This is correct, and it's a irreversible change. This is correctly given. Okay, so this is the first one is correct. Second is melting of wax is physical change. Cross, no, definitely melting of wax is a physical change. So this is incorrect. Next, rusting of iron is a physical change, wrong. Chemical change, correct. Reversible change, wrong. So this is also correct one. Next is glowing of the bulb is physical change. Yes, it is a chemical change. No, it's a reversible change. Yes, so this is also correct. Tearing of paper is a physical change. Yes, it's a chemical change. No, it's a reversible change. No, this is wrong. So which is the correct? Which are the correct matches? 1, 3, and 4. 1, 3, and 4 is an option number B. So B is our answer for this question. Next, refer to the given Venn diagram. So this is the last question of this paper. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the incorrect statement regarding P, Q, and R. So P is a gland, R is helps in digestion, and Q is a gland as well as helps in digestion. First one is P could be salivary gland, Q could be liver, and R could be pancreas. Yes, so this definitely gives us our answer. P is a salivary gland, is a gland only. Q is a organ that is involved in both. It's a gland as well as involved in digestion. So Q is a liver, and R is pancreas, which only helps in digestion. So option number A is our right answer. So with this, we come to the end of the discussion of the entire question paper. I hope you have understood all the questions very nicely, and I wish all the best to all of you for your upcoming NSO examination. Thank you so much.